welcome back. So today I wanted to share with you some quick and easy Dollar Tree DIYs. For the first one, I'm going to be using these boxes to get kind of that RH box feel. You know, they sell a lot of decorative boxes and they're always different sizes and they stack them up on each other. So when I saw these at the Dollar Tree, I knew it would be perfect. So to get the look, all you're going to need is some spray paint. I'm going to be using this Rust-Oleum hammered spray paint. It's my favorite spray paint to use because of the kind of texture look, and I'm only going to use one coat for it because you don't need a lot. I don't know if it was because the color of the boxes was close to it or what, but this is how it turned out. And I'm like absolutely in love with it because it's a great pop to the shells. Now this is the second one, and I got these bowls from the Dollar Tree because they had a nice little texture to it. And when they have little details like that, it makes it look a little more like a metal, like it makes it look real. So I got two of them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the second one. And then I got these little bowls to put on the bottom. I ended up going with the bigger one because it kind of flared out. So for this is real simple. I'm just basically going to line up the two in the center. So I'm just going to take one bowl. I'm not going to use all of the bowls, but they come 12 in a pack. So you could figure out a lot of things with it. And you want to remove the stickers. Today, the stickers came off so easy. Both the bowl and the stickers just ripped right off. I'm lining them up to match, and it's easy because they both have a little like dot in the middle. So I'm just lining it up with that. And then I'm going over it with the glue gun and using it around the lip, the raised part of it, so that it sticks together. So once I glued it all around and just set it down in the middle, I let it dry real quick, and then I flipped it over, let it dry a little more, and then I went back and spray painted it. But you want to make sure the glue is nice and dry before you do the spray paint. So I spray painted it, and this is how it came out. So it's nice if you use a matte spray paint. You can use a glittery one, but I mean a shiny one, but I like the matte spray paint. And then now I'm just filling the bowl with papers, and like the bottom is loose papers, but then I'm wrapping it all in one sheet of paper so that everything stays together. Once you're done wrapping it with the papers, I went with just some Dollar Tree moss. I'm gonna push it down because it is kind of, high up. You can glue it. I didn't glue it just in case I want to use my moss for something else. I don't know. But I just kept playing around with it. And this is only one pack of moss and not even a full pack because I used some in something else. And I'm just adjusting it till I get the look that I want from the moss. And once it's done, this is how it looked. I think it turned out super cute. You can see a little bit of the paper if you get real close up on it. But when I'm looking away from it, it looks completely awesome. And I love the way it looks in that little ledge in the middle of the room. Now for the next one, I'm going to be making a candle holder. So I got the tallest clear vase that I can get from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use the small bowls that I had because I brought two different size bowls. I'm going to use a small bowl, not all of them again, just one to lift up the candle in the inside. And then where the bowl is, I'm going to cover it with the wooden dowels that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut them different sizes so that they're not completely even all the way around though. So once I put my candle in, I decided what size, what height really I wanted the sticks to be. I'm just using some scissors. You could use something a little sharper to get through them, or you can cut it with like an actual saw or something. But I'm just kind of cutting into it and then snapping them into pieces because I don't need it to be too even. I want it to look rough. And then once I got all my sticks in different sizes, I'm just gluing them down. And you can see that I just changed it up. I did two short, one tall, two short, one tall, pick whichever pattern you want to do, or you can do it even or even if you wanted to. I'm gonna stain it, but I don't have the color stain that I want to use right now. So right now I just left it in its natural state, which I think also looks super cute. And then that is it for that one. Okay, so this one is super easy, just like all the other ones were super easy. They're just candle holders, and the Dollar Tree had them. They're glass, and they come in different sizes. So I got 3 different sizes to do this one. All right, so once you have your candle holders, you're just going to grab some spray paint. The spray paint I'm showing you is not the spray paint I use because that is a protective enamel. I grabbed the wrong thing, but I'll link the one that I did use, and I just hit those up with some spray paint. And that was it for that one. It turned out super cute. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll link some more dollar videos down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.